Good morning students, hope you all are well. Today we are going to do question answers of history, question G. In the previous video we have done till F and today we will do question G, that is answer the following questions, and question H, photo study questions. Okay, so all of you open page number 31, take out your rough copy and your pencil and start writing and marking. Start marking in the book. Okay, so first question is, how was the discovery of agriculture useful for early humans? Okay, so answer is, the discovery of agriculture helped man to live a settled life and take up various other occupations apart from hunting. Okay, as there was surplus grain available as food, man could settle in one place instead of living nomadic life. Clear all of you? All of you, please note down this answer in your rough copy, then afterwards in your notes. Okay. Now let's do question second. Now question 2 is, what kind of clothes did early humans wear? So for this answer, all of you please open page number 24 under the heading the Paleolithic Age. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth line. From here, he used. So you cut he used and there you write early man. Okay. So early man used animal skins or the bark of the trees and leaves to cover his body. Okay, again page number 24 under the heading the Paleolithic Age, fourth line, last three words after full stop, it is he used. So cut he and on place of he you write early man. So early man used skins or the bark of the trees and leaves to cover his body. Only this much. Okay, this is your second answer. Okay. Question 3. How did the early man discover fire? For this answer, all of you please open page number 25 under the heading discovery of fire. Okay, first line after full stop we'll start the answer. The early man feared fire, but when forest fires broke out as a result of lightning, he began to use it. Okay, the discovery of fire was probably accidental. The early man learned how to make fire by rubbing two stones by trial and error. Okay, till error. From the early man till trial and error on page number 25 under the heading discovery of fire. Okay. Now question 4. Question 4 is, how did fire change the life of man? Okay. For this again open page number 25 under the heading discovery of fire, last line, half last line. Okay. Fire was used for various purposes which included keeping warm, frightening off animals from the caves, cooking food, providing light inside the caves at night. Okay, these 4 points. Okay, page number 25, under the heading discovery of fire, last line after full stop. Fire was used till providing light inside the cave at night. Okay, now question 5 is, what were the religious beliefs of the early humans? For answer 5, all of you please open page number 28 under the heading religious beliefs. Okay, so this whole para means from like the Paleolithic man, the Neolithic man too was afraid of natural phenomena like lightning and thunder and natural calamities like floods and earthquake, till these sites were called megaliths. Okay, this whole para on page number 28 under the heading religious beliefs. Okay, now question 6 is, for how many years did the Mesolithic age last? For this answer, all of you please open page number 26 under the heading the Mesolithic age, third line. So here it is written, this period lasted for a short while. So you cut this line and there you write the Mesolithic age lasted. Okay, from this period lasted for a short while, you cut this half line and there you write a new line. The Mesolithic age lasted from 10,000 BCE to 8,000 BCE. Clear all of you? Again I am repeating on page number 26 under the heading the Mesolithic age, cut this half line means from this till while, and there you write the Mesolithic age lasted from 10,000 BCE to 8,000 BCE. Okay, this is your answer 6. Now question 7 is, what were microliths? Answer 7 is, micro means a small and lith means a stone. Small stones used in Mesolithic period is called microliths. Okay, micro means a small and lith means a stone. Small stones used in Mesolithic period are called microliths. All of you please note down this answer. Now question 8. In what ways did the invention of the wheel help in the progress of mankind? Question 8. For answer 8, all of you please open page number 28 under the heading invention of wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4th line. The invention of the wheel made traveling quicker and more comfortable. Apart from this, the wheel was used for pottery, spinning and weaving. The potter's wheel came to be used during this period. Okay. Again I am repeating answer 8 on page number 28 under the heading invention of the wheel, 4th line. From the invention of the wheel till this period, during this period. Okay. Now question 9. How was early human society different from the later periods? Okay. For answer 9, all of you open page number 29 under the heading society. First whole para is your answer, means from early early human society was simple and people lived in groups. Everything during the last stage everything was used as a common property. During the last stages, society became more complex. The idea of personal property emerged. Groups became smaller. Division of labor became more organized. Everyone was given a specific task. Slowly, as everything became comfortable, people started living in one place. They began to exchange food and other things with other groups. The system of exchange came to be known as barter system. Okay, this is your answer 9, whole para. Now question 10. What are megaliths? Give some example. For answer 10, all of you open page number 28 under the heading religious beliefs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th line. The dead were buried and their belongings were placed in their graves or in large vessels called urns. They also marked burial places with huge blocks of stones. These sites were megaliths. Okay, this is your answer 10. Now question H. Photo study questions. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. So, this is the picture. So, as you can see, this is the cave painting. Okay. Cave paintings, and they belong to which period? They belong to Paleolithic age. Okay. So, first question is, where were these paintings found? Okay. So, your answer is Bhimbetka. Okay. Madhya Pradesh. Answer is Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh. Now, second question in photo study question is, write any 2 features about the cave paintings. So, answer 2 is, first feature is, they usually painted hunting scenes, food gathering, dancing and fishing. Okay. Second is, these pictures were lively and colorful. Okay. Again I am repeating. First point is, they usually painted hunting scenes, food gathering, dancing and fishing. Second point is, these pictures were lively and colorful. Okay. Last question is, which period do they belong to? So, your answer is, they belong to Paleolithic age. Okay. So, this is the end of your chapter. All of you please note down all the answers in your notes copy and start learning by heart. Okay. Thank you.